We know that different data types has different sizes, but it might be hard to remember all of these sizes individually. I mean, if we want, but there is a function named as size of, and that function returns the size of the data type, and we can implement that function very easily in C programming language. So today I'm gonna show you that. First of all, we need our header file as always, include stdio.h, and then our main function. And let me declare some variables using different data types so that I can show you how to find the size of that different data types, right? So let's say, first of all, I am taking integer a, then double b, float c, char d, chart e, long f, and so on and so forth. Right now, I'm not gonna take any value to those variables because I'm simply gonna show you how to find the actual size of those data types. So for that reason, we can simply use a simple print function, and here I can simply type like this: the size for integer is, and we would use %ld, that indicates long integer, because the outcome might become long integer, so we are going to use that, and /n for a new line character, and then we are going to use that function which is size of, this function, and in this function we're gonna pass the variable name. So what it actually does is, this size of function determines the size of the data types regarding the variable. Let's say in line number 14 we are passing a in this size of function, and what it actually does, it determines that a variable is actually an integer variable, so it would simply return the actual size of this integer data type. Let me show you. If I simply run this, you see that the size for integer is 4, and that is accurate. So we can do the same thing for the other variables, I mean other data types as well. Let's see. And now I'm gonna change the data type's name. So the first one was for integer, the second one will be for double, and this is b, I mean this variable will be b for double, this would be float, this would be c, char. This print statement is optional, you can understand it, right? I'm simply gonna using this to specify which data types has which values for their sizes. All right, so character d, short e, and the long would be f, like this. Now let me simply run this code and see if that works or not. Yes, it is working perfectly. So in that way, if you want to find the size of any data types in C programming language, you can do that. What you need to do, you need to simply use the size of function like we did here.